Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a tutorial on QGIS. So this program is actually, we're going to do a little bit of a demonstration with a plugin within this program called Valhalla. And this is great if you want to map out like a certain distance between a few points of interest. For instance, if you wanted to work out what the fastest distance between a few points in terms of on a road network. You can do that for cycling, for cars, or even for walking, or for pedestrians, basically. So to jump in, this is where you would download it. So just from the QGIS website, just get the long-term version here for Windows. So you install that, and then you'll be greeted with this when you open the program. And to begin the mapping task, you'll need to get an OpenStreetMap from the XYZ tiles panel here. So you'll just drag that down into your layers tab, and it'll bring you up with a map here. And you can then just zoom in to where you want to work. So for us, as we just wait for it to load, we can just pick a spot in Melbourne just to demonstrate this plugin. So we'll just wait a moment. Yep, there we go. And then in terms of getting any plugins for this program, and specifically Valhalla, so we go manage and install plugins up the top here, and this will then pop up with all your plugins that you can use within QGIS. So we just search Valhalla. Probably won't come up actually because I already have this installed. But yes, so you would just search for the program and it would be down in here, and then you just download the plugin and you come up here. Oh, yep, there it is. Open this tab here and we can bring that down. Yep. So here's the menu for working with Valhalla. So you've got your method, which is the route. So that would be if you're trying to find just a direct route between points. Then you've got your isochrone, which gives you almost a hatched border of how distances overlay between points as such. And then you can pick how how you're going to be moving between the points. So we might go pedestrian, and the mode, which you can sort of just leave basically the same thing, fastest and shortest. And then you'll just add or start adding your points. So for instance, we might look at the green spaces within this pocket of Melbourne here. So we'll just start to map some of these out, as you can see. So very straightforward program to use. Okay, so we'll leave it like that, and then come back to our Valhalla menu here. And then we want to adjust our, not our timing, our isochrones. So this is the distance or time it would take between each of those points. So it defaults to 10 minutes. Just for the sake of it, we'll set that to 5. And then we will apply, which will then run the plugin for us. So it'll just take a few moments and then we will be right. Yep, so that's now run. Close that off. So as you can see, there is a few gaps within these. So some of them overlay. So that would mean that it is within 5 minutes to connect between those particular nodes. And if we wanted to, we can drop the opacity to see the map below. So we come back to the layers tab here and pick your isochrone map, and you will go to your properties tab, and we can adjust our opacity and color of the mapping here. So we'll drop that down to around 50%. There we go. And you can see the mapping below and how they overlay it. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.